4 feet of sludge, that's a lot of waste.
All this effort just to haul it away and pay disposal.
All right, team, we're bringing the system online now. Watch the pressure gauge closely.
It's actually pulling wax out of that sludge.
Wax recovered, oil recycled, solids reduced, no downtime.
That's money right there.
Exactly. You share the wax profit, tank owner saves disposal costs. It's moving smooth, oil's flowing back clean. That's product reclaimed, not wasted, straight back to the tank.
Only a fraction remains. Stabilized solids, safer to store.
Tank owner saved on disposal, and we still made more? That's a first.
Yeah, this Rephase team sure is innovative.
Rephase, refining the future of waste.